In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Costco membership card online. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. I personally recommend doing this on a desktop, but of course you could do this on a mobile device. And you just want to go to the search bar and then look up Costco.com. All right, so go ahead and type in Costco.com, then press on enter, and it is going to take you to a website that looks like this. Make sure that you are using the correct website. It is going to look something like this. And then afterwards, all you want to do is you want to go to this top menu where like the blue is. And then you're going to see this option that says join today. So you're able to go ahead and join the membership right over here. Or if you want, you're able to go ahead and look at all the different benefits and stuff like that. But let's just select on join today, just like this. Now, there are two different options that Costco actually does provide us with. Okay, so here's how things will look like. So we have the executive and we also do have the gold star as well. So you're able to go ahead and take a look at all the different benefits and stuff like that and find whichever one you actually want to use. So let's say we want to go with Gold Star because it is a little bit more cheaper. You're able to select on join just like so. And by the way, you also do have the option to get a business membership as well. So that there's pretty cool. But anyways, you just want to select on join right over here. And then signing up is incredibly easy. You will need to go ahead and input your first and last name, your date of birth, and your address. Please double check that your address is correct. And then you're able to go ahead and add household members if you do need to, but thankfully it's really not that bad. And you're able to go ahead and pay the subscription using a debit card, PayPal, etc. They do have a lot of different options that you guys are able to do. Okay, so once you went ahead and completed this sign up, then you are almost done. To actually get the physical card, you then need to go to your nearest Costco location. Make sure to bring a valid photo ID of you, and also your membership confirmation email and number. So after you do this process, Costco is going to send you an email with the confirmation number. And then afterwards, they are going to print your card on the spot. So that is definitely something you guys are able to go ahead and do. And thankfully, you're able to actually apply and get the card online, which is always nice to do. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.